So hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito reaction video. Ang mga viewers na nakapanood ng My Love Will Make You Disappear, their reviews, and at the same time, their reactions, their thoughts and opinions. So this is a random. May mga negative siguro tayo makikita dito or positive. So let's check it out. And sana huwag nila masyadong spoil for today's video. I'm really excited. Nagbasa na ako sa Except, pero yung video ngayon ko pa lang siya, and gagawa natin to ng reaction video and papanoorin din natin to. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
Hello guys, JKTV here, and guess what? Mga Kim Pao fans, magingay
Sir Jayco Manangan, isa sa mga showbiz insider.
By the way, napakaganda ng kanilang red carpet.
Napakaganda ng red carpet.
Star Cinema Team, kudos to you guys. Napakaganda, very organized.
Okay,
yung story guys, may initial reaction. Grabe, kilig to the bones talaga.
Kilig to the
literal,
bones.
nakikiligin ka lahat ng eksena doon. Mga eksena na Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino,
Talaga?
Asari and Jolo. Wow na wow talaga.
Talaga?
Parang very genuine, very spontaneous.
Talaga?
Yung kilig nila, yung mga batuhan nila ng
he is a friend of mine. Actually,
parang
pagdating sa vlogging.
alam mo yun,
Parang
hindi sila
totoo.
umaarte kasi ang galing nila.
Sabi din ng
Ang
friend
galing
ko.
nilang makilig.
Sabi ng friend ko, talaga bang friend lang
Tapos,
sila?
at the same time,
Yun ang sabi ng friend ko.
may mga scenes kasi doon na
Sir,
oh
wag
my
may
God,
spoil.
parang it will tell you how to love, how to be loved, and parang masasabi mo ang sarap ma-in love. Parang gano'n. Tapos yung mga scenes kasi doon, tatawa ka talaga ng one to sawa. Iiyak ka, may in love ka, may konting action din. So lahat, it was a total package
Talaga,
film
may action?
na I'm sure lahat ng mga tao ay magugustuhan
May
nito.
action?
May mga scenes din doon na oh my goodness!
Oh my God.
Goodness ka
Buffet.
talaga sa ginawa na ng eksena doon. Like,
Oh my
ganun.
God.
So yeah, there you
Oh
have
my
it. Thank you for
God.
watching. Please, panoorin niyo ng My Love Will Make You Disappear.
May
now
mga
showing.
scene daw talaga na mapapaha. Sabi.
Pelikulang My Love Will
Okay.
Make You Disappear na pinagbibidahan ni
Daddy
Kim Chiu at
Christie?
Paolo Avellino palabas na.
Ay, parang familiar naman yung boses niya.
Kamusta at i-share mo na rin. Maraming salamat. Ngayong March 26, 2025, opisyal nang nagsimula
Okay.
ang pagpapalabas
Kahapon.
ng pelikulang My Love Will Make You Disappear sa mga sinihan sa buong mundo. Simula sa Pilipinas, ang pelikulang ito ay pinagbibidahan
I want the reviews, sir. Sorry.
sihan ang kanilang pagsasama sa big screen. Tanong ng mga netizens,
Parang nagbabalita na siya. Wait lang. Most watch, guys, My Love Will Make You Disappear. Di masasayang ibabayad nyo. Kasi kayo na mismo ang magpipigil mag-CR kasi walang tapon sa movie na ito. Like, to the O, to the M, to the G, like OMG. Sobrang marirelate kayo dito. Mixed emotion yung nararamdaman nyo. Manonood. Yun yung sabi ng friend, ng ate ko, ang dami daw. Talaga ba? Is that Sir MJ Felipe? Ay, sinurprise sila.
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Pasensya na natigil po namin yung pinapanood niyo.
Talaga? Wait lang. From X, ang ganda ng film, rom-com for adults, and at the same time, may drama. Pero sabi kasi rated PG sila. Suspense. By the way, saan ba makakabili ng Kim Pao instant noodles? It's really the small details. It's really the small. Kim and Paolo look so good on screen. Lalo na pag close up. I can relate to Sari so much. Lahat ng gusto niya, yung feelings niya, yung tumatanda ka na tinanggap mo mag-isa ka na lang until someone comes along and proves you other way. Oh my God. Is this the movie all about? Parang nakaka-relate naman ako dito na tumanda ka lang and then suddenly, oh my God, this is for my friend. Kasi yung biggest plot twist ng friend ko dito. Yung, alam mo yung pa-end na yung 2024, nagkaroon pa siya ng love life. Oh my God. Really? Wow. Wow, ganda. Ang ganda ng video niya, ha? What's next? Wait lang. Aga-aga talaga watch namin to. So much kilig, tawanan at grabe dami ng lessons makuha dito. Maluluha kayo. Ang galing nila lahat. Ay, grabe kayo, Kim Pao. Okay. Oh, this was yesterday. If I'm not mistaken. This was yesterday. Okay, what's next? Ito yung viewers. Not a fan about Kim. That I... Oh, bakit natin pinanood? No, we cannot watch that. Wait. always felt with Kim as a sucker for romance. Wait. Ang sabi, wait. I thoroughly enjoyed this movie. My Love Will Make You Disappear is a beautiful and light movie full of heart. Thanks to its two lead stars, Chinito President and Carlo Abilino. Oh, okay. And then what's next? Ano to? Wow! Okay. If you have time, watch this with your friends, partners, or loved ones cause this is a good movie, I swear. Wow! True! Nakaka-excite naman. This is something like sa mga pang private to guys after private, parang yung mga nanonood dito is something like hindi related kina Kim and Pao. Maybe they are Kim Pao or maybe they are casual viewers. This is a random. Wow! Ganda. No. Wait lang. Sobrang ganda ng movie. Di mo naman yan tapos na pala. Ito pa lang so far ang movie na gusto mo lang tumawa, umiyak ng walang katapusan. At wini-wish mo na sana hindi na matapos yung movie. Oh, grabe naman. The statement from Charilyn. Grabe yung statement from Charilyn. Hindi mo naman. Naka-yellow daw kahapon si Charilyn. Nakita ko na siya. Charilyn, shout out sa iyo Wow. Baka andyan pa yun. Parang kasama yun ng mga ate ko, Charilyn, yung nasa harap ng video mo. Andyan yung ate ko, same sila ng sinihan. Parang most of my subscribers magkakasama ng sinihan. Ang alam ko. Anyways. Wait lang, reactions ng mga nakapanood na may trailer 2. Okay, napanood na natin to. Oh, look at the reactions. Ikaw. Oh, I love the reaction. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Kim Pao. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye.